Next, non-traditional machining process is electrical discharge machining or EDM. EDM is non-traditional machining process in which removal of material takes place due to the erosion caused by electric spark. The rate of metal removal and the resulting surface finish can be controlled by proper variation in energy and the duration of spark discharge. In this process, the dielectric is used as medium. Here I will see the working of EDM. This is the schematic figure of EDM. The set consists of a DC power supply, a dielectric medium, workpiece, tool, servo control and speed reduction gearbox. Both the tool and workpiece are connected to the DC power supply. The workpiece is connected to the positive terminal and the tool is connected to the negative terminal of DC supply. Hence the workpiece become anode and the tool become cathode. The workpiece and the electrode are separated by a gap which is called spark gap. This gap is filled by the dielectric which breaks down when the proper voltage is applied. This spark gap is usually maintained from 0.005 mm to 0.05 mm. When the circuit voltage of 40 volt to 300 volt is applied, then the electrons start flowing from cathode due to the electrostatic field and the gap is ionized. The electric sparks strike on the surface of the workpiece which develop high temperature. It forces the metal to melt and a portion of it may vaporize. The removed portion is driven away by dielectric. Erosion takes place both at tool as well as workpiece. Less erosion takes place at tool as it is subjected to compressive force. The rate of metal removal depends upon the discharge of current. The duration of pulse and the repetition of rate is of pulse. In EDM system, the gap is controlled by servo system. The function of dielectric fluids are it acts as coolant and it is helpful in cooling the workpiece and the tool electrodes. It carries away the removed metals. It can concentrate the energy to a narrow region. The electrode should have following characteristics. It should be a good conductor of heat and electricity. It should exhibit low wear rate. Advantages of EDM. The main advantages of EDM are: by this process, material of any hardness can be machined. No burrs are left in the machine surface. One of the main advantages of this process is that thin and fragile or brittle components can be machined without distortion. Complex internal shapes can be machined. Then limitations or disadvantages are: this process can be employed in electrically conductive materials only. Material removal rate is low and the process overall is slow compared to conventional machining processes. Unwanted erosion and overcutting of material can occur. Rough surface finish when at high rates of material removal. Then applications of EDM. It is used for resharpening of cutting tool, machining of cavity for die. The next process is wire cut electrical discharge machining or WCADM. EDM primarily exists commercially in the form of die sinking machines and wire process. A slowly moving wire travels along the prescribed path and removes material from the workpiece. Wire EDM use electrothermal mechanisms to cut electrically conductive material. The material is removed by a series of discrete discharges between the wire electrode and the workpiece in the presence of dielectric fluid, which creates a path for each discharge as the fluid becomes ionized in the gap. The area where discharge takes place is heated to extremely high temperature so that the surface is melted and removed. The removed particles are flushed away by the following dielectric fluids: The wire EDM process can cut intricate components for the electric and aerospace industries. This non-traditional machining process is widely used to pattern tool steel for die manufacturing cutting machines. Wire EDM. The concept of wire EDM is shown in this figure here. This is a wire EDM process. The wire EDM is made up of brass, copper, tungsten, molybdenum, zinc or brass protect wire are also used extensively in this process. The wire used in this process should possess high tensile strength and good electrical conductivity. Wire EDM can also be employed to cut cylindrical objects with high precision. The spark eroded extrusion dies are presented in this figure here. Spark eroded extrusion dies. This process is usually used in conjunction with CNC and will only work when a part is to be cut completely through. The melting temperature of the part to be machined is an important parameter for this process rather than strength or hardness. The surface quality and MRR of the machine surface by wire EDM will depend on different machining parameters such as applied fixed current and wire materials. Our next process is LBM or laser beam machining. Laser beam machining is a thermal material removal process that utilizes a high energy coherent light beam to melt and vaporize particles on the surface of metallic and non-metallic workpieces. Lasers can be used to cut, drill, weld and mark. LBM is particularly suitable for making accurately placed holes. A schematic of laser beam machining is shown in this figure. Different types of laser are available for manufacturing operations which are as follows. Those are CO2 or carbon dioxide. It is a gas laser that emits light in the infrared region. It can provide up to 25 kW in continuous wave mode. Then next one is neodymium dwarf yttrium aluminum garnet. Laser is a solid state laser which can deliver light through a fiber optic cable. It can provide up to 50 kW power in pulse mode and 1 kilowatt in continuous wave mode. This is the setup of a laser beam machining process. Here we can see the power supply, then we can see flash lamp which is source of light, then laser discharge tube, partially reflecting mirror, lens and focused light. Then after using the lens we can focus the light into a single point, then workpiece. Applications of LBM. LBM can make very accurate hole as small as 0.005 mm in refractory material ceramics, metals, ceramics and composite material without wrapping the workpieces. This process is widely used for drilling. First I will discuss laser beam cutting or drilling. In drilling, energy transferred into the workpiece melt the materials at the point of contact, which subsequently a gas jet, that is typically oxygen, can further facilitate this phase transformation and departure of material removed. Laser drilling should be targeted for hard materials and hole geometries that are difficult to achieve with other methods. A typical SEM micrograph hole drilled by laser beam machining process can be shown in this figure. Then laser beam cutting, that is milling operation. A laser spot reflected onto the surface of a workpiece travel along the prescribed trajectory and cut into the material. Continuous wave mode, that is CO2 gas laser, are very suitable for laser cutting, providing high average power, yield high material removal rate and smooth cutting surfaces. Advantages of laser cutting. No limit to cutting path as the laser point can move any path. The process is stress less, allowing very fragile materials to be cut without support. Very hard and abrasive material can be cut. Sticky materials can also be processed in this method. It is a cost-effective and flexible process. High accuracy parts can be machined. No cutting lubricants are required. No tool wear. Narrow heat affected zone. The next one is limitations or disadvantage of laser cutting. Uneconomy on high volumes compared to stamping, limitations on thickness due to taper, high capital cost, high maintenance cost, and assist or cover gas required. Then the next method is electron beam machining.